smooth. I don't have covers. Where's that my cover? And put a cover or else. There's a lizard. It's jumped. It's shut here. It's become flavor here. But when cooking, it's become flavor. There's lizard will jump. I just want to cover because that pot is no cover, mga guys. This is a user covering there. I'll cook this already. I think this is the third time I'll cook this food. This darn good chili. This is darn good chili, mga guys. I'll make first